Hello, all friend. Welcome to our this YouTube channel. Today, we are introduced to you the best machine for all type of metal and stainless steel and aluminium cutting solutions. This machine is CY1530 CNC plasma cutting machine. Suitable for all metal, stainless steel, aluminium sheets cutting. Based CNC system to cut text and graphics. Now let us to see how it work. Easy to move machine X, Y, distance to make good cutting position. Here is the machine control panel. Easy to make all graphics and texts automatic cutting job. Now let us to test this machine how to touch materials. Click machine button up and down to test it. Now let us to see more cutting demos. Here is our packing area. Make strong wood box to pack new machine. Selling and delivered to all the worlds.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.